Hi there, welcome to this video tour for our 2018 VW T6 short wheelbase 4-berth camper van. This is our 4-berth baseline conversion. Baseline Plus, it's got a few extras on it. As you can see externally, we've got front spoiler, 20-inch alloys, side bars lowered 40mm, finished in Starlight Blue. Got a Skyline pop top, 160 watt semi-flexible solar panel, nice vibrant orange canvas. The vehicle itself, so it's a 2018 150 DSG, done just over 31,000 miles, highline, automatic headlights, wipers, heated front screen, air conditioning, satnav media unit from the factory, 7-speed DSG, beautiful things to drive. As you can see, the front passenger seat swivels. So this particular camper is available, ready to go. We can do video tours via Zoom for people that want to ask any particular questions, look at things in more detail, etc. And we're obviously open and able to take accept people in for collection of any vehicles. So we've got a rib 112cm rock and roll bed with the 200mm slider, giving you a little bit more floor space in the middle of the van. 12-volt compressor fridge, double hob and sink unit, overhead storage cupboards with dimmable LED light strip, USB power sockets, 2 tambour roller shutter doors which open up into wardrobe areas with shelving space, lift up storage lid on the worktop there for top down storage, demountable table which stows away on the back doors. We've got a large drawer on the bottom of the 3 stack in the middle there. Then we've got a drop down door in the middle and on the top, just making use of all available storage space, and obviously a little drawer above the fridge. Eberspacher D2L Easy Start Pro night heater, diesel. MS Craft rotating sliding swivel plate, very easy to operate. There's videos for that on our YouTube channel. Flexible LED reading light with USB ports on board. Further 2 LED spotlights down the near side, operated via a switch on the B pillar. Genuine VW steps for the slide door and the rear doors with step lights. Altro floor covering, heavy duty. 12-litre water bottle located underneath the rock and roll bed. Plenty of storage throughout. So the Skyline roof has a bifold bed, sliding cover hatch to tidy it all away when the roof is closed, and a mattress that lives up in the top there as well. All comes with the vehicle. So moving around the back. Excuse my camera work. Lightweight furniture ply units. Blackout curtains throughout, including the cab area. Nice bright colours to lift your post-COVID mood, post-lockdown mood. So this camper is available and ready to go. More details on our website. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to contact us and we will be happy to answer any questions and help. Thanks very much for watching.